Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect a Canon G3010 printer to PC or laptop. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. First method, you just have to use the Wi-Fi Direct. So enable Wi-Fi Direct on your printer, turn it on and you will find the direct button to the Wi-Fi Direct icon should appear on the LCD screen. Once the Wi-Fi Direct is selected, you will be able to connect your laptop to the printer Wi-Fi network. So on your laptop, go to the Wi-Fi settings and choose the network label something or bunch of access followed by G3010 series. The bunch of numbers that you see at the start or a bunch of X's are going to be the 6 digits of your printer MAC address. Just find the network referring to the G3010 and enter the password if prompted. Now you will be able to visit the Canon official website and download the latest driver for your G3010 printer. Once the driver is installed, you will be able to choose the wireless LAN as the connection type and get this process done. The other option is you have to going to be using a wireless router, so connect your printer to your Wi-Fi network by going over to the menu device settings. Choose WLAN and setup. Just follow the on-screen instruction. This will allow you to browse through various different networks located nearby, and you will be able to enter your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and the password. Once you enter the necessary information, you will once again be able to repeat the step that mentioned earlier. So go to the official Canon website, download the official drive for the G3010 series, and once the driver is installed, you have successfully used WLAN on the printer. It is going to be connected over Wi-Fi, and now you can print any documents, file or image, and that's it.